I just got back from one of my dream trips, which was Hawaii, and I thought I would do a little bit of an outfit recap if you're looking for any like vacation inspo for outfits. I definitely didn't have time to like pre-plan or like pre-film outfits, but this will be more fun because then I can like talk you through where I went, what I did. I'm gonna start out with things that you may be able to find online, like that I know I've kind of seen with like Google search. But yeah, here's what I wore in Hawaii. Starting off with one of my favorites. This is a Farm Rio dress that I found at Marshall's because I'm assuming it's like last season or something like that. But it is so pretty. I thought it was so perfect for Hawaii, honestly, and I don't wear red that often, but I loved this, so I had to get it. Shoes, I just wore like 2 pairs of shoes the whole trip since I actually just brought my carry-on and had to fit everything in there. But yeah, I love the print on this. It's got like some fun like embroidery type detail and some crochet, and then we have like little like beaded straps, which are so fun. So this was probably my favorite outfit that I wore just because it's like really interesting pattern and everything, and usually I tend to go for like more basic stuff, but I am loving patterns this summer. So that was my first outfit. This I wore to, we went to the yacht club to go swimming in the pool, and then I think I also wore this to like a breakfast at a golf course, so I'll put the pictures up, but this one was my favorite. And then to just quickly mention accessories, because I wore a lot of the same stuff, so I'll just mention it like as I go. But with this dress, I wore this necklace. It doesn't match like perfectly, but I kind of like just like add some interest to the outfit. It has like a little wooden circle, and then these are metallic beads, which I didn't know until I was gonna wear this swimming one day, and it started getting really hot and burning me, so I took it off. The earrings are from Amazon. They're little like starfish, which are so cute. And we have another Marshall's dress. I really love this one, but I did wash it. I should have ironed it, and it shrunk a little bit, so it was a little bit longer when I wore it. But I love like the drop waist, and I kind of think I would like this a lot as like a mini dress, but this is just how I bought it. You can see the lining is like poking out at the bottom, so I'm gonna have to fix that, which is kind of annoying. So I was in Oahu and like Honolulu, Waikiki. So this one I wore on the first day, and we just like drove around to basically everywhere. Did like a little tour with the blowhole and everything. And this was just a really cute dress. And you'll see in the pictures, this one I wore it with this little Amazon flower clip. They were selling a bunch there, but these I had gotten beforehand, and I love these because they come in like all different colors, so I just like picked which outfit I wanted to wear with what. And I'm gonna have to like look up the actual locations. Hopefully my phone just shows me, because the first day we did it so much that I don't really know where exactly we were. And if you want to go there, I would like to be able to tell you where that was. Yeah, this one I really love, like the pink and everything. And then jewelry, I just obviously kept these earrings on, and then I wore this thrifted beaded necklace. It's just like 3 on the same clasp, and I was able to swim in it and everything, so that was nice because I didn't have to worry about like taking everything off just to go swimming and then put it back on. I don't know if I like messed it up at all with like turning green, but it seems fine. So I actually love like the jewelry that I thrifted for this trip, even though I didn't get a lot. I've been seeing so many people get like those jars and bags, and I have not found that at any of the thrift stores that I go to. The one that I went to was like had some crazy wooden bead. It didn't look like jewelry, it looked like a toy or something like that, but hopefully I can find one of those soon because they look so fun. And then I think for most of the trip I was wearing these sunglasses, which are also from Amazon. These have been really trending. I didn't really notice until I bought them, and then I was like, oh, I think everyone has these this year. I think they're like knockoff Chloe, maybe? I don't remember. But I love these sunglasses so much. And that was that outfit. And then I think you saw I was wearing the same white shoes, so I wore those. And then the rest of the trip I wore my flip-flops. And as cute as these are, this braided part with sand on it was horrible, so keep that in mind when you're shopping for flip-flops. I'm going to be walking in the sand with wet feet. They probably don't want leather braids on the shoes. Can anyone else not wear white without getting some sort of makeup or lipstick on it? Because when I went to go just take this off, I basically like shoved my face into it and now I'm upset. Like I don't know how you do it without staining everything. But anyway, okay, I know I can't say everything that I got is my favorite, but this dress is so pretty. So this dress I got from Marshall's. They also had a tan version. And I think the brand is like Caroline Constas. But honestly, I fell in love with it the second I saw it, and there is like one snag on it, so that might have been why it was there. This one reminds me a lot of the Cult Gaia. It has like a similar crocheted dress, and I guess this is maybe like a dupe for it. But this was like the perfect like going out dinner dress. I know Hawaii is pretty casual, but I kind of wanted to like dress up just because I don't go to like tropical vacations that often, so I needed this. But yeah, this one I think I wore to dinner, and then we took some pictures at the Royal Hawaiian Hotel, which is like this beautiful pink hotel that I would love to stay in. They have the nicest pool, and I feel like it'd be good like maybe like wedding dress, guest dress also. So I'm gonna keep getting use out of this one because it's perfect. I'm gonna try and show you this outfit without passing out because it's getting kind of hot out, which I love because it's summertime. But also with a long sleeve shirt, I'm about to be struggling. This outfit I wore to Kualoah Ranch, which is like where they film Jurassic Park and stuff, and I was so excited to go there and like do the tour and everything because we got to see like some of the sets, and just like the whole like range in general is just so beautiful with the mountains. There was like horses there. Honestly, it did not look like it was like real life, so that was probably one of my favorite parts from the trip. But this is what I wore to that, and I was definitely trying to go a little bit Jurassic Park. I don't have my sneakers on that I wore there, but like since it was like muddy, just kind of tried to wear something comfortable and that I wouldn't care to ruin. And then I wore this bandana. I don't know if I really want to put it on right now, but yeah, that's gonna make me way too hot. I just tied this around my head, and I don't wear like hats or bandanas that often, so definitely takes some time getting used to. The shirt is just like a really oversized thrifted shirt, but I like that it's got like little gathers right here, and I think it's a little bit too oversized, but I didn't fix it before I left because I decided last minute that I was gonna make a top to wear. I'm gonna show you it, but I never wore it. So, and then the tank top I think is from H&M, just like a plain basic. Definitely need a new one because it's getting a little bit stained since I can't wear white. And then I have these shorts from Abercrombie. I really love Abercrombie denim, and I keep just buying kind of all of my jeans from there, which I don't have that many pairs honestly, but I definitely want to get some more of these for the summer because I think they're like a pretty good length. Not too short, and they can last a while. So, and then the last thing I wore was these sunglasses. So obviously just wore them when it was sunny, and I think these are from Free People. I think they're kind of like a dupe for the other colorful ones that a lot of people are wearing, but definitely like that they're like green, blue. No, they're green. I definitely love colored sunglasses, but it is a little weird sometimes when you're looking at something and you know that everything looks blue. So that was the last thing for that outfit. And while I'm still wearing the shorts, this was another one of the outfits I wore. I would have loved to wear this top with like a skirt or something, but honestly I didn't have that much room in my carry-on, so I just picked the shorts. I got this on eBay right before I left, and I'm so obsessed with it. I think it's from the 90s, it said at least, but it's got like little beads all in it, and I don't know, this is like an interesting neckline. The beads are adorable, but unfortunately when I washed it, it like discolored. But I think I'm gonna look for like other stuff that's this brand and see what else they have, because I don't know, this is just so cute. And this is one of many beaded things that I bought for this trip, which I didn't even notice until after I like got them all in the mail and was like, oh, everything I just opened was beaded. Alright, this one was a beach day outfit. We stayed in Waikiki for 2 days, and one of them was extremely rainy and cold, so we didn't do much. But the next we wanted to go swimming. So I had this top from H&M that I think I wore a couple times actually on the trip. And then another thrifted necklace. It's like like orange stones. I almost didn't buy it, but I'm really happy I did because it's kind of cool. And then this I wore in the water as well and was fine. And then I'm not wearing the swimsuit right now. I was in the picture that I'm going to put up. But this is a swimsuit from Bikini. I really am so obsessed with this. I was like trying to think if I could recreate it myself, but with the beading and everything, I just decided to buy it. It was definitely a splurge. Like, when did bathing suits become almost $200? Beats me. But yeah, luckily it has like the cutest little beading. I'm obsessed with the pattern, color, and everything. These are the bottoms for the swimsuit, so I got like the little bit like cheeky version. I definitely want all of the patterns of this now. And then I got the matching sarong, of course. It was like, I don't know, pretty affordable versus the swimsuit, so I thought why not just go and match. And then my last little accessory was this hat. It was shoved in my bag, so it's very floppy right now. But I think before I left, I tried on like 15 hats and they all looked so bad on me. So I was just like determined to buy one that looked okay. I'm gonna have to show you what these hats look like because like, I don't know, I tried on so many and I was just like floored at how bad all of them looked on me. Unless I'm just not used to it, I don't know. But that was that one. And I think this is the last outfit that I actually wore before I get into stuff that like I bought but didn't get to wear. It's a House of Harlow top that I think was like extra large, and at like midnight the night before I left, I just sewed up the sides really badly, made a bad alteration, but I like didn't have time, and I'm obsessed with this print. Then I have these Abercrombie linen pants, which I know I should have ironed before I put them on. But these also are like a little bit, they were at least a little bit bigger than I wanted them to be, and now I think they shrunk a tiny bit. I think I only wore these one day on our first like night there, and I didn't get any pictures. So I'll definitely be wearing this outfit again, and then obviously same shoes because I wore the same 2 pairs of shoes, and I just haven't been like switching them in and out. Getting into stuff that I brought but didn't wear, I'm starting off with this top that I spent like the week before I left because I left on Saturday. I made this for like every spare minute when I got home after work, and it's really cute. Like, I love like the tie tops. It took me a while to figure out how many ties I wanted, and I wanted it to be like a boat neck, so I'm obsessed with how it turned out. But for some reason I just like didn't think to wear it. I really don't know. It was a lot of like wearing like dresses and stuff just to like throw over swimsuits, so I guess I didn't want to like make a full outfit with it. I can't tell you, but obviously now that I have it, I'm gonna be wearing it everywhere I go this summer to make it worth me taking so long to make it. And this one that I thrifted, I probably would have worn in Waikiki if we had an extra sunny day when we were there. But it's this adorable little sarong with like beads and sequins. So another beaded thing since I love beads right now. But this I was just gonna wear with this tank top. And I don't think I'm going to put it on right now just because then I would have to put like a swimsuit under since it's a tiny bit small on me. But I've been loving like the plain white tank top with little sequin skirt. So that is what I would have worn. It doesn't match perfectly, but probably with this swimsuit, which would have been the best option for what I have. So I will obviously be wearing this somewhere else, just not in Hawaii, I guess, even though this was one of the first things I actually bought to wear there, so whoops. And then for the last item that I didn't wear, I have this really cute cover up which also reminds me of the Cult Gaia like crocheted dress. I thought this was really adorable actually, and we had a ton of beach days, like when we weren't going out or whatever, we were basically at the beach. But because we would like go to dinner after, I didn't want to wear just a cover up, but also just wear it as a top or like dress kind of thing. But yeah, this is really cute. And it also has beads. I had planned to wear this with this swimsuit that I got last year from Caledonia, so I don't think they sell it anymore, but this is so cute. This is one of my favorite swimsuits. Like, I love just like a extra detail. This gave me horrible tan lines, by the way, but it was really cute on. And then I wore this swimsuit with like this necklace. So I absolutely love this. I'm gonna try to find a similar one for you, but I just love a swimsuit with like some extra details going on. And this is my cute little cover up, which is obviously this is like for the beach where I'm going to be wearing the swimsuit, but it's a lot shorter than I thought it would be. Because it is, I think, the brand is Sydney Easton, which I feel like is like an older demographic brand. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm going to look up more stuff that they have too, because I do really like this. So that was that. Here was the other of the two pairs of shoes that I wore. So I love like the square toe sandals right now. I would have preferred if this strap didn't go around my ankle because it made me look like short, but honestly these are so cute, and I'm gonna keep buying like the square toe shoes just because I feel like they like, I don't know, they kind of make the look more elevated even with like wearing sandals. They just look a little bit more like reminiscent of heels. So these were super comfy. They're like plush on the bottom. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can link them for you, and yeah. So that is everything that I wore or wanted to wear in Hawaii, and some of the stuff that I did while I was there. I'm gonna try to find either like similar items or the same items that I can link for you if you got like fashion inspo from this video, and I might also just add like some of my eBay favorites that would be good for summer. So in case you were looking for like some random unique stuff to buy. And it's really hot in my room, so I'm gonna go before I pass out. But thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time, hopefully with like a vlog or something interesting. Okay.